WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with meteorologist Jacob Dickey.
Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. On this Saturday morning, we are watching the chance for severe storms today. It will also be breezy out there through the weekend. The sun, though, the sun and dry air returns on Sunday. We've got a little bit of hope there. Let's get right down to business here and talk about the storms today. In the morning hour, we got the chance for some showers here. Thunderstorms are likely then from the lunch hour into the afternoon and evening. Some of those could be strong. We will be warm today. Temperatures into the mid to upper 70s for many of us. 76 in Tupelo and in Aberdeen, 77 in Houston. Bruce at 76. West Alabama, much the same here. I've got mid to upper 70s. 75 in Fayette, 76 in Vernon, 77 in Reform and in Aliceville. We are even sneaking in some 80s on the board here today. Some very unstable and warm air coming on in. 80 in Macon, Louisville, Ackerman, Eupora, 79 West Point, Starkville, Columbus at 78 for our high on this Saturday afternoon. With the warmth and instability in the atmosphere is primed for some severe weather today. A moderate risk, that's a level 4 out of 5, exists for a good chunk of our viewing area. All of the area in red from Tupelo towards Monroe County down towards Starkville and West Point, Eupora, Bruce, Grenada, Oxford, Water Valley, Holly Springs, Boonville, Corinth. An enhanced risk for the rest of the area, including Columbus, West Alabama, Louisville, and Macon. As far as the threats area-wide, this is what we're concerned about here. The storms will wind gusts. It will only take 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts to knock down trees across the area, given the saturated ground that we're seeing. So the damaging wind threat may very well be the highest impact for the day. Cannot rule out the chance for some strong tornadoes today. If we can get the storms to organize and form correctly, then that threat is definitely on the table. Could be some hail in spots. I'm not too concerned about that. But again, the other thing, too, with all of the rain that we had, any rain will continue to aggravate flooding. I expect to see flash flood warnings continuing throughout much of the day. And notice our timing here. We're looking at our window of opportunity from 11 a.m. all the way until 9 p.m. tonight. Here's Futurecast showing some of this rain lifting off to the north in the morning hours here. By the late morning hours, we start to get some showers popping up here, and that's when we have to start to watch things. I think by 1 o'clock, notice we've got some storms that are more isolated in nature and have a little bit of a kidney bean shape to them. Those are supercells trying to form here. So that initial round in the morning, late morning into the early afternoon, we'll have to monitor that and see what that does. By 3 o'clock then, dealing with severe weather across our area, we've got these storms in Mississippi and West Alabama, but off to our west then, another round's going to develop and come in our direction here through 7 o'clock. Still expecting severe weather in our area, and that will push off to the east then by 9 o'clock, and then finally pushing those storms into central Alabama. We've got some dry and clear air coming in by the time tonight rolls around. I think by the 10 o'clock news, we should be winding things down and perhaps talking about what happened throughout the day. That will dry things out, but until then, still dealing with more rain. Could see by the time all is said and done from Saturday morning through Saturday night, the potential is there for another 1 to 2 inches on spots. That is not good news given the flooding already occurring this week. Here's how you can stay safe with WCBI. Watch WCBI live on WCBI.com/live. If we're doing severe weather coverage, make sure you've got your weather radios turned on. Download the WCBI mobile app as well. We'll send you a push alert if severe weather threatens your county and have all of the updated forecasts there for you. In addition, if we do radio station, if we do severe weather coverage, these are radio stations that we partner with that you can stay weather aware with here. In case our live feed goes down for whatever reason, you're at home, the TV doesn't work, we'll be on the radio as well as on WCBI.com/live and on our mobile app. Here's how the next 7 days shape up then. Saturday, the severe weather threat today continues. Highs in the mid to upper 70s to 80s for some of us. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, more seasonal, upper 50s and low 60s with plenty of sunshine to go around. By the middle to later parts of this upcoming week then, we'll likely work some more showers into the area.